Welcome. I'm going to show you how to edit the JPG version of the card and envelope mockup in Pixlr. So go to pixlr.com in any web browser and then double click the Pixlr X Quick and Easy Design button. And then double click Open Image to open the mockup. And then just pick the mockup you want off your computer and click open. It's going to ask us if we want to size it down. We don't really want to do that, so we'll just click on original and then click apply to open the original size. And now to add your design to the card, it's as easy as clicking on this add element image icon with the square and the lines, and then click on the add media browse your own files button. And just open your design off the computer. If you need to resize that, you can just click and drag any of the four corners. And if you need to move it, just hover over it till you see the four arrow move tool and click and drag it into place. You notice this one has a white background that you can see around the design. To change that and make it look more natural, just click the three-dot icon in the Layers panel. And that's going to open up the layer menu, and you want to double-click None under Blend Mode and change the drop-down menu from None to Multiply. And that's going to knock out the white and make it look a lot more natural. And that's all there is to adding your design to the card and envelope mockup in Pixlr. Now you just need to save it, so click the Save button at the bottom. If you're going to use this as a thumbnail online, you'll want to save a version as a JPG. So I would change the quality to 100 and leave it on high, and then just click Save As. And it's just going to bring up a dialog box asking you where you want to save it on your computer. Then type in whatever you want to name it and click Save. And it's going to try to show you an ad if you have the free version of Pixlr. So we'll just close that. And if you wanted to save a native Pixlr document too, you just come back here a second time, click the Save button, and this time select PXC and then click Save As again. Please message me at melissabmockups.com if you have any questions. And don't forget to like and subscribe so you get updates to future videos. And as always, this mockup and other mockups are available at melissabmockups.com. Thank you.